Hi, dear students, dear friends. Welcome to Gallant IAS, and our Prelims 2022 is very near. What I would like to tell you is, don't be panic, don't be tensed too much, and don't worry about what you have not done so far. आपने बहुत कुछ किया है. आपकी स्टैटिक एरियाज और करंट अफेयर्स काफ़ी रिविजन कर चुका है. So I would say now no need to worry what you have not done, what others done. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. अब 10 लोगों से मिल रहा है तो हजारों आइडियाज आएगा, हजारों टॉपिक्स आएगा. नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट अदर थिंग्स. एक साल से आप कर रहे थे, यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर एटलीस्ट 1 year. यू हैव डन इट वेरी नाइसली, ऑल स्टैटिक सब्जेक्ट्स and your current affairs. Just revise it, come composed, practice. Now just last 1 week I would suggest you just practice the previous papers only. Okay, at least last 5 years previous papers you solve very well, and you boost your confidence. Stay healthy, you have balanced diet, good sleep. Okay, and just consider this is just another exam you are appearing, another competitive exam you are appearing. Okay, so revise well. Don't absorb all the negative vibes from your surroundings. Just get rid of it. Take the positive vibes only. Okay, that's very important. That's very important. And don't worry about what would be the future. What would be the results after the exams. Okay, don't think about it. Just think about this exam. Just prepare for it. Revise it. Okay, and stay happy, healthy, enthusiastic. Okay. Now, art and culture, actually, 4 to 5 questions we can expect from art and culture. Art and culture, static and current affair areas are there. Some current affairs are there, some important topics are there. When it comes to architecture, art forms, literature, this is what your current affair, so your art and culture syllabus is all about. आपके current affairs देख रहा है तो architecture forms, Humby stone chariot, that is important. Why it is in the news? Recently, Archaeological Survey of India initiated some steps to fence this particular chariot. You know, so chariots, famous stone chariots, 3 famous stone chariots are there in India. एक आपका कोणार्क हुआ, दूसरा महाबलीपुरम and तीसरा हम्बी stone chariot. Now इसमें क्या चीज़ important होता है? You have to take care of the architecture. This Humby stone chariot built by Krishna Devaraya. So Humby, the architectural city, or the one of the capital, the capital city of Vijayanagar Empire, वहाँ का temple architecture कौन सा होता है? What all the temple architectures or the architectural monuments of this Humby और उसकी salient features जो है वो आपको focus करना पड़ेगा. This is very important. So Humby stone chariot belongs to Dravidian style of architecture. इनफैक्ट ये डेकानी और द्राविडियन स्टाइल का एक मिक्सचर होता है विजयनगर एम्पायर आर्किटेक्चर, जिसको प्रोविडा स्टाइल बोला जाता है. ओके, सो व्हेन यू स्टडी द टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर, प्लीज टेक केयर who built that particular thing or who commissioned that particular thing, dedicated to which deity, what is the style of architecture followed by that temple architecture. Okay, ये सारे चीज़ important होता है. Lingaraja temple was also in the news because the government, the state government initiated facelift for this Lingaraja temple, in Odisha. So this was a temple belonging to 11th century AD. Okay, again this is an example for Kalinga architecture. Dedication is to Lord Shiva. Then recently Mundeshwari temple, that was also in the news, and that was one of the oldest functioning temple of India. Similarly, आपने कुछ मैं सारे चीज़ को इधर I will not explain everything in detail. I will just give you an idea. Humayun's tomb, Mughal architecture. Humayun's tomb was in the news. Prashad scheme was in the news. Dolavira was in the news. In fact, Dolavira last exam में पूछा भी है. Kalbilia dance was in the news. Jallikattu was in the news. Yakshagana was in the news. Jagannath temple was in the news. Tolpavakut was in the news. Then this Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav was in the news. Kumbh Mela was in the news. Okay, World Heritage Day. Then Tulu language. Okay, all these things were in the news. और आपको क्या करना है? Whenever these things are in the news, last 2 years जो भी है, you have to just revise them. आर्किटेक्चर में लक्ष्मी नरसिम्हा स्वामी टेम्पल, Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple. This renovation of this temple completed recently. Okay, this is a temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu, example for Dravidian architecture. Similarly, Kumbakonam Ramaswamy temple, because recently that festival of Ramanavami was held here. Again, say Khajuraho temples, Khajuraho dance festival was organized here. So when you study the temple architectures, focus on the style. We have different styles of temple architecture. Broadly speaking, Nagara, Dravida, Varsara and their sub styles. So आपने ये देखना चाहिए वो टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर कौन सी स्टाइल में बिलोंग करते हो. ओके, उसकी पैट्रन कौन है एंड डेडिकेटेड टू विच डीटी. ओके, सो एंड अगेन I mean the temple architecture which has some relevance with modern day. All those things are important for you. Then art forms, Chahu dance was in the news. क्योंकि Chahu dance, it was actually male dominated dance, and this is a martial art dance form, Chahu dance. Recently women also showed their presence in Chahu dance. That was in the news. Part of UNESCO intangible cultural heritage. Tangta was in the news because it was recently included in the Khelo India Youth Games. Okay, that is martial arts from Manipur. Then Gadka was in the news. Again, Gadka was included in the Khelo India Youth Games. Okay, so please take care of all those art forms. That dance forms are there. Okay, music traditions are there. Theatre traditions are there. Okay, various puppetry traditions are there. Have an idea various art forms and the relevance. Painting traditions are there. Painting traditions, of course, this Karpur Kalamkari painting, which recently got a GIE tag. Okay, so what all these painting traditions, cultural or art traditions, जिसको GI tag, geographical indication tag status मिला है, वो आपके लिए important होता है exam में. Okay. Then there are some fairs and festivals which is in the news. Okay, fairs and festivals. Let's go for like Kashi Utsav, Raja Festival. Okay, Vanshova festivals. So these festivals which were recently in the news, just to focus on the relevance, the cultural relevance of such fairs and festivals. Okay, so आपने इसमें ये चीज़ focus करना चाहिए. Like when these dance traditions are in the news, music traditions are in the news, theatre traditions are in the news, puppetry traditions are in the news, उसकी static portions आप सही ढंग से रिवाइज करना चाहिए. अब मैं कंफ्यूज करना नहीं चाहता हूँ, आप ऑलरेडी कर चुका है, अब ऑलरेडी उसको रिवाइज कर चुका है, लेकिन लेट मी टेल यू वेरी ब्रीफली. अब आर्ट एंड कल्चर में आर्किटेक्चर, दैट इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन का आर्किटेक्चरल फीचर्स होता है. Mauryan Empire, उसकी like pillar architecture in comparison with the Persian pillar architecture. So pillar architecture, stupa architecture, वो आप बढ़िया से करना चाहिए. Then this ancient cave architecture, various you know like different styles of cave architecture. Initially they were dedicated to Buddhism. आपको याद है, there is like a cave architecture dedicated residential halls and prayer halls. Divisions are there. आपको I think you already done it. So cave architecture important है. Ajanta, Ellora Bagh, Badami caves are there. Then this what is called like temple architecture, Gupta Empire, Gupta age ka temple architecture. Then Nagara, Dravida, Varsara styles of temple architecture. Okay, so go for Indo-Islamic architecture, modern architecture. So architecture आप सही ढंग से करना चाहिए. विजयनगर एम्पायर आर्किटेक्चर, इंपीरियल चोलास आर्किटेक्चर, बमानी आर्किटेक्चर, ओके, दिल्ली सल्तनत एंड मुगल आर्किटेक्चर, वो सारे चीज़ बढ़िया से आप करना चाहिए. आर्ट फॉर्म्स में स्कूल्स ऑफ कल्चर है, डिफरेंट स्कूल्स. इंडस सिविलाइजेशन का आर्ट फॉर्म्स होता है. देन कमिंग टू दिस पोस्ट मॉडर्न एज, गांधारा, मधुरा, अमरावती स्कूल्स ऑफ कल्चर, वेरियस स्कूल्स ऑफ कल्चर्स. Then coming to this like what is called imperial cholas art forms, you know, various sculptural works. So art forms में आप जो है sculpture, schools of sculpture आपके लिए important है. Painting, different schools of painting, आपकी cave paintings होगा, I mean mural paintings होगा, miniature paintings होगा, modern paintings होगा, folk paintings होगा. Paintings are important for you. Dance music traditions are important for you. Martial arts are important for you. Theatre traditions are important for you. So go for it. That's very very important for you. Literature में आप याद रखना चाहिए. You have to focus on that like you know Vedic literature, classification of Vedic literature. Then Maurya, post Maurya, Gupta, post Gupta literature. then this Mughal literature or maybe medieval Indian literature, different literary works of these various rulers or writers or poets of ancient medieval times and modern times. बढ़िया से अब करना चाहिए. Then fair and festivals and some important cultural elements which are in the news. और जब भी वो न्यूज़ में आएगा वो करंट अफेयर्स नहीं पूछेंगे, उसकी स्टैटिक पोर्शन से यूपीसी क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे. सो यू हैव डन इट. सो इसमें मैं कुछ और बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ. आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू दैट जस्ट फोकस ऑन, just keep that momentum. Okay, you just be confident with what you have done. जो नहीं किया है उसके बारे में टेंशन मत लीजिए, जो भी किया है just focus on that, revise it multiple times. And this is an examination. मैं ये बोलूँगा कि this is an examination of mental game. आपका mental stamina का examination होता है, आपकी presence of mind का examination होता है. This exam will test your presence of mind. So be confident and deliver your best. हो सकता है आपका तीसरा अटेम्प्ट होगा, 14 अटेम्प्ट होगा, या फिर इट इज योर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. वॉट एवर बी, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, वॉट एवर द अटेम्प्ट, गिव योर बेस्ट. ओके, एंड don't lose your presence of mind. Okay, just focus on the paper, on the questions, on nowhere else. Okay, not on your girlfriends, boyfriends, not on pani puri, burger, nothing. Just focus on the question paper, questions, and try your elimination. Okay, so all the best, and just score above the cutoff and clear the exam. All the best. Thank you.